we have just spoken to irrigation department, and they are saying that still Sakhar city is at risk because the water level is 100 and the water level in Sakhar Daraj is 130,995 cubic water is passing through Sakhar Daraj right now, and it is the last. It cannot retain much more water than that, and if more water will come in Sakhar Daraj, so it is possible that Sakhar city will be very badly affected if the water exceeds from its limit, because Sakhar Daraj limit is over now, and if water exceeds, then Sakhar city will be in danger. But what has happened that yesterday the Bandewal dike, which protects Sakhar city from water, it had breaches from many places, and now that breaches have increased, but still district management and prevention disaster management authority is working on the Bandewal dike to close its seepages and breaches. But the Bandar road that is adjoining to Bandewal, it has submerged in water today. But it is being said that the water has now started rushing towards the lower Sindh, and the next target of these flash floods will be the lower Sindh, and now the areas of Dadu, Sevan and Manjan and other areas adjoining these areas, these are at risk now.
Right. Now, Sabha, what can you tell us about the evacuation of the local population in the Kotri and Kacha areas after red alert?
Well, according to the district government Hyderabad, they have made considerable arrangements, and the people who are living around Kotri and in the low-lying areas, they have all been evacuated to safer places. But in Hyderabad, the city areas, Hossainabad and Latifabad is still at risk, and the district government is issuing warnings to the people who are living in nearby areas in Kotri, which are living in nearby areas of Kotri and Hyderabad city. But still, district government has arranged lifeboats, life jackets for the people. Yesterday, it was announced by them that people should shift to safer places, like to their relatives who are living in the safer areas, because Hyderabad city is actually divided into, geographically it is divided into two parts. One is a low-lying area, that is Latifabad and Hossainabad, while the other is a city area which is quite higher. So there is not much danger expected to the city, Hyderabad city area, but the low-lying areas, which is Hossainabad and Latifabad, they are still at risk, and the water has now started coming towards the flood water has started rushing towards the lower Sindh, so these areas would be at risk, and we'll keep you updated with the situation in the lower Sindh as well. But on the other hand, in Nawab Shah, the pressure on the dikes have increased, and let's see that what comes in front.
Right, Sabha, thank you very much.